Hey guys, welcome to Easy Acupuncture School. I'm Stacy Hewitt. Have been acupuncturist for 13 years and I've taught acupuncture for 7. What this channel is about is to try to demystify the mystical and to detangle the tangled, meaning acupuncture, when you're studying it, can be confusing. Don't let anybody tell you any different. We were all confused when we were in school. I was confused when we were in school. That was a long time ago. But um, what this channel is about is trying to take something that can be complicated and making it practical, making it more easily understood. I'm going to put on this channel all the lectures that I do for my students when I'm teaching them to get ready for clinic. And I've got 7 of them. And what they'll, if you walk through them, at first they'll seem very basic, but they're building blocks and they build on each other until they build the stairway up to clinic confidence. You'll feel like a rock star when you go to clinic. That's what this channel's about, is helping you to simplify things, helping you to easily understand what's going on. If you're in acupuncture school, it's not uncommon for people to feel lost. And I'm here to try to pull you back onto the path to make you feel a little more confident in where you're at in school. So anyway, join me for this adventure, and I'm going to show you kind of what we're going to go over. And this is the order. Hold on, I'm going to share my screen. Hold on, give me a second or two here. Okay. Yes. All right, let me get this little toolbar out of the way. I apologize. Hi, Pudding. Okay. All right. So these are the lectures, and this is the order that I want you to watch them in. I haven't gotten all these out there yet, but they're getting there. But the first one to watch who's got the biggest team, then watch who's on what team, and then what flavor is your patient. These 3 will be out pretty soon. Um, and then the most common patients you'll see in clinic, and then the 10 questions, and then how to interact or patient interaction, how to interact with your patients. This is probably something that a lot of schools don't really go over. So I think that's really a big one. Like I said, I've been doing this for a long time, and I've been an acupuncturist for 12 years and been a massage therapist for over 25. So I've interacted with a lot of patients, and I'm going to share you all of my tricks and tips and how to do it. Um, and then the last thing will be a lecture called What to Do When You Don't Know What to Do. There are going to be complicated patients that you will see, and it's like, oh my gosh, how do I deal with this? This is going to talk about the steps, the procedures to go through to survive those sessions, so you're not sitting there like a deer in the headlights, or a deer in the headlights. So anyway, these are the order. They're going to be out all eventually. I know who's got the biggest team and who's on what team is out already, and I'm getting ready to put out what flavor is your patient. So be on the lookout, guys. Um, I'm excited about this, and we're going to do great. You're going to do great. You're going to make yourself the Rockstar Clinic. All right. Take care. Look forward to seeing you next time.